Get acquainted with the 2021 Honda Ridgeline. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a Ridgeline that's ready to handle rugged adventure in smooth, thoughtful style. Loaded with smart tech, clever storage solutions, and ingenious creature comforts, this hard-working pickup with an upscale feel is at home wherever your journey takes you. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, rear AC, Bluetooth connection. Don't miss the opportunity to drive a pickup that's as multidimensional as you are. Come in today and drive this Honda Ridgeline.